All right. Had a experience here not too long ago. It's probably when this happened, it was about an hour ago. Anyway, I woke up and I could hear somebody beside me in bed breathing. And that's no joke. So I got the K2 first, put it down there, and it pegged red a few times. And then I grabbed my phone to record it. But yeah, it was right beside me, and I could hear it plain as day. Strange. Yeah, I let it. That's what it was doing right there, pegging red like it just did. I'm glad I was going to turn the recorder off. I'm glad I waited. But yeah, I heard somebody breathing, and the rest is history. Who was laying beside me snoring? All right. That's it for now. Try to go back to sleep. Are you trying to go back to sleep? Sounds good to me.